Alright guys, this is Wide Open Throttle Garage. This is the restart. If you like cars, you like building, you like hanging out in the garage, you like going and racing stuff, this is the channel for you. This car coming out is just the beginning, and there's definitely more to come. Hit the subscription, hit the notification if you like these kind of things, and we'll see you. You're going the wrong way. This guy. We made it. We made it to talk about. Alright guys, we're like 4 hours into the journey today. We just stopped at old Taco Bell to get us a little snack. Here we are, 5.5 hours later. We have made it to First Class Cars in Salt Lake City, Utah to pick up this brand new vehicle. It looks awesome. Alright, we made it.
Tyler, welcome to First Class Cars. Good to meet you finally.
Yeah.
There she is, man. 2015 1LE. Yeah, check under the hood.
We have some plans for this, so it's gonna be fun to modify it a bit.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So it's gonna go even faster than it is now. Carbon fiber.
You got the carbon fiber hood and the door sills and the little spoiler on the trunk. Yeah, it's light.
What's the secret?
It's a little light with the carbon fiber.
You gotta show me.
I had it.
A little firm right in the center.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, fire it up. Check it out, man. It's an awesome ride.
That's the big brakes. It's pretty cool. Might need new front brakes on this. There's definitely grooves. There's definitely a lip on the front. Right here, you can feel that. There's a big lip right there. So there are some defects in the carbon fiber here. You can see the clear coat coming off, and there's some fractures from the clear coat. Maybe it's something we'll have to fix and address to make it a little nicer. Maybe get it re-clear coated. Maybe have Cam, being the professional he is, come and touch this up for us.
I don't know about that.
Touch up black. They caught the curb on that one right there back in the day. It looks like they cleaned it up and took off the edge. Dual front electric seats, which is cool. I wonder if they're heated. I don't know if the racing seats come heated. You can definitely see a little scuff in the bend in the plastic where it pushed it back. So my guess is that's the bump that got reported from them tapping into something. It's nothing crazy, but it's all.
You want windows up or down?
Down. Roll them up.
Roll them up. Just make sure that big dip there, you know, take it at an angle, yeah. Get some air going for these guys back there.
Somewhere back here. Safety first, guys. Buckle up.
You nervous?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm just trying not to scratch it. like this clutch it's so high up. Oh, heads up display. That's kind of cool.
Yep, got the heads up display there. It's adjustable too. You can adjust the height and everything.
Gotcha.
Pretty much every standard option and every option you can get. Boston acoustics, the Recaro seats.
That's what we were trying to find something similar to the ZL1, and this package makes it a mini ZL1 to a point.
Exactly, yeah. A lot of the same components: wheels, suspension, shifter. Has multiple fuel pumps, just like the ZL1. So it's built for the track for sure.
Yeah. That's why we thought it'd be a fun contender for the supercharger.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
So we're just gonna buy a bolt-on kit and then reflash the ECU, and it'll get us another 160 or 70 horsepower.
Easily, yeah.
Which will be fun.
With the 6.2, yeah, it's definitely a good starting point there.
See, we're buying all the parts, so we can have some cool drives with the Zion and Bryce and all that stuff.
That's gorgeous down there.
Yeah. It's literally like our backyard.
Really?
It's
wow.
cool.
I'm jealous, man.
Well, that's fun.
Yeah, plenty of power. And it's raw power. It's there when you want it. It just does it.
So it's like the daddy engine to yours in your car, Thomas.
Which one?
You got the 6.0 and this is the 6.2.
Oh, okay.
Awesome. You made it.
It's a pretty cool car. Pretty sweet.
All right, Tyler, it's all yours. Congratulations.
All right, man.
Thank you, buddy.
Appreciate you.
Enjoy the ride.
Awesome. Thanks. We're here for the first fill up, and I'm apparently a gas snob. I only run 91 octane. So this is it. We're going to see how many gallons it takes because it was empty, and we'll see if we can get home with it. Guys, 14 hours later from this morning and over 400 miles of bringing her back, we are in the garage. It's going to be great, guys. It's going to be awesome. Don't want to miss it. More to come. See you later.